If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making KHAIRA CHULA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are half a cup of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee, a quarter cup of jaggery or gur. Then take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about half a teaspoon of that, and quarter teaspoon of salt. Then in a large bowl, take all the rice flour followed by all the powder, salt, ghee along with quarter cup of water. Then combine these real well, and we need to knead this for roughly about 4-5 minutes to make a soft dough. Then let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Then after that, take a small portion like this and shape it like a ball. That's it. And now we will fry these. So for that, take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on high, so these will get cooked to the core. Now once the oil is hot, add them one by one, and we need to fry these until they are done and golden in color. Then in another pan, take about 1 tablespoon of water along with all the jaggery or gur, and wait till all the gur dissolves. Then let it boil for roughly about a couple of minutes until you see large bubbles, and then add all the fried balls and coat them really well, and this should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad KHAIRA CHULA. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.